feast of our patroness, Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception. The feast is tomorrow, 8th December. It is with joy that I would like to share how we have undertaken 9 days long preparation for this feast. But before that, let me tell you something about the Church of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception, its history, and how it has been going on till date. It was built around 1551 or 52, and it was built on the hillock of the Panjim capital. And over here, the church has 77 steps right from the main road, and you climb up 77 steps, then you enter the church. As you enter the church, you see a huge statue of Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception. And then you enter the church. The church has a very beautiful facade that attracts all over the world, every people. And it is an international World Heritage Monument, iconic church that adds beauty to our church. And that is the attraction of not only Catholics, even others belonging to different religions. Tourists do flock and they visit the church, they enter the church, and they pray in the church. Then right in the center of the church, there is an altar which is dedicated to Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception. Right on top of this altar, there is a niche, and in this niche, a wooden statue or image of Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception is placed, so that, to indicate this was the tradition in olden times, and to indicate the people that she is the patroness. And this feast is being celebrated for centuries together. One proof is there that it was celebrated in the year 1884. And there is a panel fixed on the ceiling of this roof, and which is very clearly depicted. One has to make an effort to stretch out the neck to see this wooden picture. It's a beautiful frame, and it is written down below, Nossa Senhora da Imaculada Conceição, rogai por nós, which means Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception, pray for us. And it is down below mentioned that it was fixed over there on the occasion of the Feast of the Immaculate Conception, celebrated on 8th December 1884 by one individual called Mr. De Mello. So 1884 means since then and much before this has been celebrated, because the dogma of the Immaculate Conception was proclaimed by Pope Pius IX on 8 December 1854. So thereafter, the feast has been celebrated in the honor of Our Lady of the Immaculate Conception. Now tomorrow, we will have masses starting from 5:30 a.m. It will be in the church inside. Then 3 masses will be held outside on the open air, that is on the steps. One is at 6:30, 7:30, and 8:30 in English. And thereafter, we will have a main solemn mass will be celebrated inside the church. And this will be animated by confraria. It is known as Confrarias Reunidas da Igreja de Panaji. And also another body of the church, that is Trust, the Panjim Immaculate Conception Trust, will join the confrarias in celebrating the Mass, in animating the Mass.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.